Hello, myself Saili Abnoy from ZIL Polytechnic Pune. Subject from Computer Department. Subject name WPD Web Page Designing. Project name Develop a website for a grocery shop. Professor Mrs. Amruta More. Project Abstract. The main objective of grocery shop is to create an online e-commerce platform for customers. It's an online grocery shop where you can place your order according to your requirements. The following are the major objectives of application. Save time and travel expense to buy your daily needs. One-click and handy shopping. Provide facility to online payment. Same price of product according to city or country. Provide an online platform for every customer. Theory. A grocery store. A grocer or grocery shop is a store primarily engaged in retailing a general range of food products which may be fresh or packed. In everyday US usage, however, grocery store is synonym for supermarket and is not used to refer to other types of store that sells grocery. In UK, shops that sells foods are distinguished as grocers or grocery shops. Though in everyday use, people usually use either term supermarket or for smaller type of stores sells groceries or convenience shop. Larger types of stores that sell groceries such as supermarkets and hypermarkets usually stock significant amounts of non-food products such as clothing or household items. Small grocery stores that mainly sell fruits and vegetables are known as greengrocers or produce markets, and small grocery stores that predominantly sell prepared foods such as candies and snacks are known as convenience shop or delicatessen. Some groceries specialize in foods of certain countries or regions such as Chinese, Italian, Middle Eastern or Polish. These stores are known in the US as ethnic markets and may also serve as gathering place for immigrants. The first self-service grocery store, Piggly Wiggly, was opened in 1916 in Tennessee by Clarence Saunders, an inventor and entrepreneur. The early supermarket began as chains of grocery shops. The development of supermarkets and other large grocery stores has meant that smaller grocery stores often must create a niche market by selling unique, premium quality or ethnic food that are not easily found in supermarkets. A small grocery stores may also compete by locating in a mixed commercial residential area close to and convenient for its customer. Organic foods are becoming a more popular market for smaller stores. Grocery stores operate in many different styles, ranging from rural family-owned operations such as to boutique chains such as Whole Food Markets and Traders, to large supermarket chain stores such as Walmart and Kroger Marketplace. In some places, food cooperatives or cooperative markets owned by their own shoppers have been popular. However, there has recently been a trend towards larger stores serving large geographic areas. Very large or in all one hypermarkets such as Walmart, Target and Meijer have recently forced consolidation of grocery business in some areas. Many European cities, example Rome, are so dense in population and building that large supermarkets in American sense cannot replace the neighborhood's grocery shops. However, metro shops have been appearing in town and city centers in many countries, leading to the decline of independent smaller shops. Large out of town supermarkets and hypermarkets such as Tesco and Sainsbury's in United Kingdom have been steadily weakening trade for small shops. Many grocery chains like Spar or Mess are taking over regular family business model. Thank you.